What if I told you the absolute laziest way to make $250,000 literally just comes down to your takeout habit? It is probably the easiest wealth building glitch out there, but almost nobody uses it. Look, we all know the feeling, right? It's 7 p.m., you're completely drained, and you just want to relax. So you pull out your phone, you open up DoorDash, and you decide to order a $15 burrito, or maybe just really want some Taco Bell or Chick-fil-A. But by the time you actually hit the checkout screen, that simple $15 meal somehow magically costs $28 after the delivery fees, the service charges, and the delivery tip. Most of us just swipe and pay it without thinking twice. We tell ourselves that our time is valuable and we are just buying back our evening to rest. But if we're being completely honest with ourselves, we usually aren't using that saved time to build a business or learn a new skill. We are just paying a massive premium to sit on the couch and endlessly scroll on TikTok. But here's how you turn this exact situation into that massive $250,000 glitch. Instead of viewing picking up your own food as an annoying chore, you have to start viewing it as an active side hustle that pays you immediately. Okay, let's look at the numbers for a second. That $28 delivery minus the actual $15 cost of the food is a $13 premium. The next time you want a fast food fix, do not restrict yourself. Don't delete your apps. Just get in your car, put on some music, drive the 10 minutes to the restaurant, and pick it up yourself. By taking that quick 20-minute round trip, you quite literally just paid yourself $13. If you do that just 3 times a week, you are keeping an extra $2,000 a year in your own pocket purely by acting as your own delivery driver. But don't just let that money sit in your checking account. You gamify it. Every single time you go pick up your own food, you take that $13 premium you just saved and you immediately transfer it into your Robinhood account. You buy fractional shares of a solid ETF like VOO or QQM. If you take that $2,000 you saved every year and invest it at an average 8% return over the course of a normal career, that one simple habit turns into nearly $250,000. You are literally building a massive retirement portfolio just by picking up your own keys instead of paying someone else to drive your food to you. You really don't have to give up takeout to get rich. Just stop paying millionaire convenience taxes when you could be paying yourself instead. But drop your biggest financial goal for the year in the comments and I'll let you guys know what I think. I'll see you at the next one.